Hey car lovers, welcome back to GB Cars. Today we're going to be doing a replacement of my plugs on my Mercedes Benz C180. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, just remember to hit the subscription button and we're going to go right into the video. So for this project you're going to be using an extension with a T30 torque bit and obviously to pull the extension as well, and you're going to use a torque wrench. We need our genuine Mercedes Benz plugs and we need a 14mm socket to pull the spark plugs. The next step is to firmly remove the cover for the engine bay to gain access to the spark plugs and the coil packs. To do this, you hold the sides of the engine cover and you're going to pull it firmly. I normally remove the cap from the engine bay, but you don't need to do that. So now we can put this cover away to gain access to the coils. Now this is a 4-cylinder vehicle, so that means we have 4 coils and 4 spark plugs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. To do this job, we're going to be needing a T30 torque wrench, and this is to pull off the nuts that are located on each of the coil packs. So it's normally recommended to pull each coil pack one at a time, and this is to prevent any dirt or debris from falling inside of your engine. Trust me guys, you wouldn't want that. So be extremely careful when pulling these bolts so that you don't leave any inside of the bay of the engine. We're going to be removing them one at a time and just place them to one side so that they don't fall inside of the engine chamber. Once you have removed your coil pack, you're now ready to pull your spark plug. For this, we're going to be needing a 14mm socket set and an extension. We try not to do this on a hot engine because warm metal expands and you don't want the spark plugs to get damaged while removing them. So we normally do this on a cool engine on a preferably cool day. You take your time and ensure that your wrench is in the open position so as not to cause damage to your spark plugs. So this is our old spark plug. We're now going to install a new one. So these are genuine Mercedes Benz spark plug. Be careful when putting the spark plug in the chamber so that it doesn't touch the sides of the chamber, and use your hands to tighten the spark plug. This will prevent any cross-threading or any unwanted tightening of the plugs in the chamber. We are now hand tightening the others, and remember to do this very carefully so as to prevent over tightening. Once you have tightened all the spark plug, you then use your torque wrench and put it to 15 foot-pounds of torque. We're now going to tighten it to each spark plug. Whenever you hear the click, do not go in further because you have now set it to 15 pound-foot. Now using back your T30 torque bit, we're going to tighten all the coil packs on our 4-cylinder vehicle. Also be careful not to drop any of your screws into the chamber at this time. Ensure that all coil packs are properly seated on the bay and tightened properly before starting the vehicle. Now we're going to put on back our engine cover and we're going to be test driving our vehicle, but first let's start it to see if it works. So our vehicle is started, and that's how you change your spark plugs for your Mercedes Benz C180.
Thanks for watching the video, guys, and remember to subscribe.